y'all, let's talk about something that nobody prepares you for. When your body changes. So I'm talking about when you gain weight, lose weight, or things just kind of shift around. You literally find yourself in front of your closet saying, what am I supposed to wear now? Listen, I've been there. Actually, I am there right now. This is Make It Make Sense, where we try to talk about what's going on, trying not to overcomplicate it. We want to understand it. This is real talk about real style, okay? And if you are new here, welcome. And if you've come back to see me, I am so glad you're here. Thank you. Thank you. So let's get into this and make it make sense because it's not just about clothes. This is about our bodies changing and our closets not catching up. And I'm doing this topic because I got a viewer question. And I thought, you know what? This is a great topic. And it's something that many of us go through. I'm going to keep it real with you. I am in that space right now, as I said, and I've regained some weight. Things still fit, but they don't look right. They don't hang right. They don't feel right. And worse, you can get it on, but throughout the day, as I'm doing now, going to be tugging all day, pulling it down, adjusting it. Before you know it, you don't trust your closet anymore. It can erode your confidence and take away from how you express yourself through your style. Nobody wants to be a fidgety wicket tugging at themselves all day. Am I right? Of course I'm right. So let's get into the nitty-gritty of it, shall we? So when you're in the body change space, you start asking yourself all kinds of questions. Good ones, practical ones, real ones. Questions that people don't often think about. So, case in point. So I've gained all this weight, right? And I look at my closet and I'm saying to myself, do I keep these just in case I lose weight again? Or it can be vice versa. Or here's another question. I just bought this. Now what? Child, the way this economy is set up, nobody's out here trying to waste money. How about nothing in here feels like me anymore? Am I supposed to buy a whole new wardrobe? It's overwhelming. And when you start asking yourself these questions, and it's basically happening every time you open the closet door, it starts to just pick away at your confidence. And you should really be making decisions about what to purge, what to gift, what to sell, what to donate. But it is so overwhelming that many of us just kind of throw our hands up and say, you know what? I'm just going to keep everything in every size for everybody that I've been since the ninth grade. Here's the truth. Your closet needs to match your current body, or at least that's what they tell us, right? Not your past body, not the body that you're going to get back into your body right now. But on the real, that's easier said than done. That's where I say, however, getting dressed in clothes that don't fit, that will mess with your mood before you even leave the house. But with a capital B, spending money on new clothes that only work with the body you're in right now, especially when you're prone to fluctuation, that has financial implications, overconsumption implications, space in your closet implications. So what do? Let's talk solutions. Here are 4 things that you can start with. And you can thank me when we get to the end. First off, we have to be honest with ourselves. We need to do an edit. Do you know what an edit is? An edit means that you're going to go through your closet. You are going to look for anything that when you put it on, you have to tug, pull, or adjust all day. You are going to look for things that are uncomfortable to be in or that you haven't worn in months since your body change. But wait, whoa, 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 whoa. You're not going to throw it away. You don't need to throw it away. Let's not get crazy. What you're going to do is you're going to pull it from your active closet, because it being in your active everyday closet in front of you, it's confusing you. And that's how we do an honest edit. So that's the first step. Here's the second step. You are going to build a real base that you can build from. What is that, pray tell? Well, let me tell you. You're going to get yourself 3 bottoms. Think of it like 3 pairs of pants, or you can mix it up. A pants, a skirt, a short, whatever floats your boat that you like to wear. And you're going to get them in sizes that fit your body right now. You're also going to get 3 tops, whatever kind of tops you gravitate to that feel good on your body. And you're going to get 3 pairs of shoes. Now, these can be a mix of a heel, a strappy sandal, a flat, whatever you like to wear. Okay? 3, 3, 3. Bottoms, tops, shoes. Not 10 options, not a full capsule, just enough that you can get dressed without stress. Ooh, I like that. Maybe I should coin that. Dress without stress. Sounds good, right? So that was step 2. Let's get to step 3. Repeat on purpose. You are going to wear those pieces. You're going to wear them over and over and over until people start looking at you cross-eyed, because this is where most people get stuck. They try to rebuild their entire style in 1 week, and that's not how this works. And that is step number 3. Repeat, repeat, repeat. Now, step 4. Let me pull in for this one. Anything you buy has to meet the job description. Okay? Everything has a job. Everything has a job. Not this is cute. The job is, what am I wearing this with tomorrow? And what can I wear it with that I already own? What can I wear this with tomorrow? And what can I wear it with that I already own? If you can't answer that question, then you are going to leave it. It just does not meet the job description. And like I said, we're not looking for cute, because there are a lot of pretty people at work that don't do their jobs. Yeah, I said it. Let me show you how a simple 333 can actually work. 3 bottoms, 3 tops, 3 pairs of shoes. Not a whole new wardrobe, just a small set of pieces that make sense together. You can mix them, match them, wear them more than one way. This is what takes the pressure off of getting dressed, because you're not guessing, you already know how it works. And the key, these are pieces for your everyday life. Not what look good online, but what you can actually wear. Thank me now. You're not behind. You're just adjusting, right? That's what body changes are. And your closet should adjust with you. So if your body has changed and your closet feels off, it's not because you need more clothes. It's because it doesn't match your life right now. Okay? And that's how we look at it and we make it make sense. So start small, get you the 333 so that you can create your outfits and create outfits that feel good, and build from there. Simple when you boil it down to brass tacks. And that's what I'm here for. I'm here for you. Okay? If this helped you think about your closet differently, subscribe for more real talk on real style. Bye, y'all.